Kyle didn't come from money. He came from prison. Not every success story starts clean.
Kyle served 5 years in prison for theft. When he got out, he didn't have connections. He didn't have money. He didn't have a second chance waiting.
Just a decision to never go back.
One day, standing on the side of the road, a branded HVAC van drove past him. Something clicked.
Clean, real business.
He went home and started researching. That's how it started. Kyle became an HVAC helper. Early mornings, late nights.
Learning everything.
He didn't just learn the trade. He studied how businesses grow.
He learned about AI marketing systems. Systems that handled calls. Booked appointments. Reach more customers automatically. So, he brought it up to his boss. Worry about what I'm paying you to do. Kyle didn't stop. Eventually, his boss fired him. That moment could have broken him, but instead, his eyes lit up. Kyle called Contractor Catalyst. He installed an AI marketing system built to scale. Calls routed properly, appointments booked automatically. He wasn't guessing anymore. Kyle didn't blow up overnight. He grew steadily. And as his business grew, Contractor Catalyst adjusted the system to grow with him. Kyle built a $225 million HVAC company in just 3 years. Your past doesn't define your ceiling. Kyle didn't get lucky. If you're a contractor ready to grow smarter, start with the foundation. Contractor Catalyst.
Build the system, then build the business. Click below to start today.